The 18th century painter Ito Jakuchu created Doshokusaiye, a series of 30 works depicting living creatures and flowers. One of the pieces, Chrysanthemums by the Stream, features chrysanthemums in a unique decorative composition. In the background, water flows in an S shape. Layered on top of that are chrysanthemums in a reverse S shape. At the top, large white chrysanthemums are in full bloom. Each carefully outlined petal is depicted as if it were standing out. The stems curve as they cross the canvas and connect to blue rocks. The blue rocks continue the curve downward. The chrysanthemums wedged between the rocks droop and face backward. In the center of the painting are pink-edged and orange chrysanthemums, and birds admiring the chrysanthemums. The bird in the center is gazing up at the white chrysanthemum, blooming like a burst of fireworks.